guys, I hope you all had wonderful holidays and ready for 2019. With the family we want to start this new year with a jar full of dreams. And I had this idea of making one of those galaxy jars but with a little bit of a twist, so... well, this is what we came up with.